Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to share how you can download VLC Media Player and install it on your PC. So let's begin the video. First, you need to open your browser and then in the Google search bar you need to type VLC Media Player. In the Google search result you can find VLC Media Player. You can click here and here is the web page of VLC Media Player. So it's totally free, but if you want to the open source software some kind of donation, then you can go here and make some donation. And if you want to use it for free, so you can click on download VLC. It will take some time. After the time the download will begin. So here is my download file. I'm going to click on start download. After finishing the download process, you can click on open. So here it will ask for installation permission. I will click on yes. And here is a pop-up for language selection. I'll recommend you to select English, but you can choose another language if you want. So click on OK. After that, you need to just click on next. Here also next. Leave it as it is. Next. If you want to change the destination of the installation files, then you can click on browse and select the folder wherever you want. So I'm just leave it as it is. Click on install and here is the installation process begin. So after the installation complete, you can click on finish and here is the media player. Here is some kind of instruction and privacy policy. I'm going to click on continue. So it's done. You can enjoy the latest media player from official website. So this is the process. How can you download official VLC media from the site and install it? So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until that, goodbye.